Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to transfer your photos from iPhone to Windows or desktop. So plug in the iPhone first, then you will see this pop up, then click on allow. Once you click on allow, enter the password. So once you enter the passcode, then you come to the Windows, then you will search here a Photos app. It's a built-in app in Windows, so you don't have to download anywhere from the web. Then you will click on this option called import, and you will see the iPhone you connected to. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see all the files. In my case it's fewer, but in your case might be a 50 gigabyte or 60 gigabyte. It might take time to load all the photos and videos, so please be patient. So now select all the files, then click on this add 11 item, then create a new folder. Here I'm gonna give a name, photos, then click on create. Now select the folder, then click on import. Once you import, you will see the success toaster message. All set 11 were successfully imported from this location. Let me show you where did I import it. So go to file explorer, click on pictures, then you see photos. All my photos has been already imported, so now you can delete it. This is my backup, or you can select as many you want. Thank you for watching. Please, if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe my channel. We'll be posting more.